Welcome to The Click. Today we will solve a few practice questions for multiplication and division with decimals alongside fractions and decimals conversion. So please be with me. Okay, so today we have 6 questions. Starting with number 1, we have a multiplication. So for multiplication, we need to not consider the decimal point, right? So let's write it like this: 35 times 2, which equals 90, right? 90. And then I have one decimal digit, so I can put the decimal point right in the middle, which becomes 9.0, which is also equal to 9 because 0 is not counted in here. So our answer is 9. Okay, the second question, 8.4 divided by 2. So 8.4 divided by 2. So my divisor doesn't have any decimals, which means that I don't need to do any multiplication at the beginning. So let's start with the division itself. I can fit 3 2's and 8, right? 0, and then I put a decimal point in the quotient part, and then I lower up 4. So yeah, don't consider this 4. I can fit 2 2's in 4, so 2, right? 2 times 2, 4, minus 4 equals 0, and our answer is 3.2. Yeah, okay. The next one, convert 0.57 into a fraction and then simplify. So we have 2 decimal digits, which means that my denominator needs to have 2 zeros, which is 100, right? So I write 75 divided by 100. Okay, so to simplify, I can divide both of them by their GCF, and their GCF is 5. So 5 divided by 5, 15, 20, but I see that I can still simplify these, so 5 was not their GCF, clearly. 3, 4, and this is our answer, 3 divided by 4. Okay, the next question, guys, we've missed the third question. This one, 1.2 times 0.5. Okay, this is a multiplication. 12 times 5 equals 60. And then I have 2 decimal digits, which means that I need to put the decimal point from right to left if I count 1, 2. So I should put it in here. Okay, now what do we have on the left side? We have a 0. Okay, whenever in these kind of operations, whenever there is no number, put a 0 in there. Okay, so 0.60, which equals 0.6. Okay, going for the fifth question, 4.8 divided by 0.6. So 4.8 divided by 0.6, I need to change the divisor to a whole number, so I will multiply both of them by 10. 0.6 multiplied by 10 equals 6. 4.8 times 10 equals 48, right? So now let's write our division. 48 divided by 6. Okay, so I can clearly fit 8 6 in 48. So 8 times 6, 48, right? We do the subtraction, 0 0, and our answer is 8. Perfect. Now let's go for the last one. X times 0.5 equals 2.8. Let's find x, okay? In order to find x, we need it to be alone. So we should move this part of multiplication to the other side of the equation. And when that happens, the operation changes, right? So I will have x equaled 2.8 divided by, because it was multiplication, now it should be division, 0.4. So now let's do the normal type of multiplication. I'm changing their decimal places, right, as you can see. So I can fit exactly 7 4s and 28. 7 times 4, 28. Subtraction, and 7 is our answer. This was the activity. The first question's answer is 9, the second question 3.2, third one 0.6, fourth one, as I can see, 8, fourth one 3 divided by 4, fifth one 8, and sixth one 7. And we're done. Thank you for being with me.